So, welcome to my YouTube channel on data analysis and research. Usually, when you conduct research and then after performing data analysis, you want to display your results in tables and or figures. So, it is recommended in most journals in thesis or dissertation to present a result table in this form. But in data analysis, usually results are normally collected in Excel. So this is how it will appear in Excel. Because Excel is very flexible, it's easier to collect data in Excel before transferring to Word. So this is how it appears in Excel. But how do you get it formatted to look like this in Word? So that is what I want to demonstrate today in what I titled Formatting Results in Research, Results Tables in Research. So we'll open a new worksheet, then we'll copy our results. So these are results in Excel. We'll copy it to Word and now see how we are going to format it. So let's say this is table, and just say table 1, and then we paste. You can go to paste or you can right click and then paste. So you put paste here. So you see this is how it will appear first, but we need to make rearrangements and then format it. So you can see that there's a lot of crowding. The columns are narrow, so there's a lot of crowding and overflow of the content. So you can manually rearrange the columns or widen them manually by dragging the lines here. But to save time, you can also just place the cursor on this box below. Then you hold down your cursor or mouse and then you expand, you drag towards the right. So you see that it will open up and then the content will fit into the cell. So depending on what you want, if this is okay, then that is it. But if you want to make sure the columns are evenly distributed, you can do a bit of manual adjustment. So by dragging these lines, so maybe creating more space for this. So this is what you have first. But you can see the alignment. You can see that column 1, this variable NP and PE, they are aligned to the left. They are aligned to the left, but you can see the T value and then the P value are aligned to the right. So you have to be uniform. So you have to make sure they are also aligned to the left. So that is normally recommended for most research. Left alignment is recommended. So they are now aligned. So now we have to make sure we insert thick lines or border lines for the heading and also for the bottom. So how do you do it? So first you highlight the heading and you bolden it. You make it bold. So you click on B, that's bold. So still leaving the highlight, you go to here where you format, you select the line from the thickness to format the heading. So if you click here, you come to borders and shading, you select. Then this is the type, the style. So you can choose the style of the line or the border you want. But usually the simple straight line is recommended. Then this is the thickness or the width. So usually selecting 1.5 point is recommended. So select 1.5 point, then click OK. Then we want to insert the bottom border for the highlighted area. So click. You can see that if you click here, you see the various areas that are the line will be inserted. So we want the bottom. You select Then also want the top, so you select this one, top border, you also select that. Then you come to the bottom, so here you want to insert the bottom line, so the bottom border, you also select this one. So that is it. That is how you format a results table in research. So if you now want, you can insert your title, whatever it is. So you insert your title. So you can see a similar thing here. So if this is your title, you can type it in or you copy. So to save time, you can just put this our title. Then you also add a legend. Normally, after presenting the table, you need to write below what the results mean, what the data represent. Is it mean, standard deviation, median, range, or what is it? So you write it here. How do you determine the difference? Do you use student t-test, man Whitney? So normally that's the legend. You give an explanation of what is there, and then also define abbreviations. So you, you write your legend here, or if you have it, you copy and paste. You can also remove the space between the heading and the table. So if you say remove space, then the gap will be closed. So simply, this is how you format a results table in Word. So this can be placed in your thesis, your manuscript for journal publication, or wherever you want to do, or for presentation. This can be placed in PowerPoint for presentation. So thank you very much for watching, and look forward to my next video in data analysis and research. Please subscribe, like, and also share to your colleagues who are interested in research and in data analysis. Thank you and see you next time.